Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get the Audible Black Friday deals. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. The 2025 Audible Black Friday deal offered new members a 3-month Audible Premium Plus subscription for just 99 cents per month. A significant discount from the regular price of $14.95 per month. So the due detail is that cost is 99 cents per month for the first 3 months, totaling less than $3. Then over 90% of the standard monthly price. Some offers also included an additional $20 Audible credit after signing up, which was sent via email. The deal was primarily for new Audible subscribers through some promotions offered a 1-month free trial to eligible returning customers. This limited time offer ended around early to mid-December 2025. And after 3 months promotional period, the subscription automatically renewed at the full price of $14.95 per month, and members could cancel anytime. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.